say, now we're in the car.
Where are we going?
Walmart.
For what?
On LOL. Surprise doll. Then your glitter's here. I never had one.
Can you show them?
You guys, hope for this unboxing fun. LOL, we haven't had my name yet. We are gonna go up there and take a video. Yeah, 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 yeah. Glitter, surprise, ta-da. Let's get over there. First layer. Whoa! I want to get spice. I don't have spice yet. I don't have spice yet. I don't have spice. I don't have spice. It's the biggest surprise we bought. I think it's gonna be fresh.
Fresh.
Yeah. It's so cute. She will color change, team color, cry, or color change. Open it. I hope it's gonna be her. Huh. That's so cute. Whoa. I'm so excited to see what the doll looks like. Uh-oh. This is gonna be super, super cool. Look. It's gold. So it's time for the doll. I'm so excited. Whoa. That was just the doll. It has this one handle. I can't believe that. Rocker, I got rocker, yeah. Rocker, rocker, your name's Rocker, and you're gonna spend the night with me. No, Daddy, I did this. Ride and shine, getting on